Anthropology, culture anthropology, archaeology uses field methods to study living creatures, ancient civilizations, and the early hunter-gatherer instincts we used to have and some cultures still use. These methods allow researchers to obtain data through observations, visuals, participation, excavation, things like that. The discipline I decided to talk about and do research on is studying a living creature. I believe it's ethnography, if I'm saying it right. Cultural anthropologists use the ethnographic field method to study contemporary society by using participation, observation, interviews, audio and video footage. With the video footage, documentaries are very informative. Interviews, getting information, and indulging in conversations within community members. It can provide insight within traditions, beliefs about certain animals, how it helps society, things like that. And then the next thing I want to talk about is the AAA and what it stands for. So let's define the importance of AAA code of, what is it? I have it right here. Code of ethics. When we are using it for research. So AAA stands for American Anthropological Association. It's crucial when conducting research when involving people, humans. It establishes guidelines or boundaries, a better way to say that. It ensures ethical, respectful tactics. Some of the key aspects they strive for when participating in research is to do no harm. So 6 of their main priorities that I found on their website that has been provided to us is that they do no harm. They try to prioritize the well-being and safety of all participants to avoid any research that can cause or lead to physical, emotional, or social, political harm. 2, informed consent. All researchers must obtain voluntary consent from all participants. 3rd is to maintain anonymity and confidentiality if being asked to do so. Pretty self-explanatory. 4th, transparency and honesty. We want to know where exactly this is coming from, who's saying it, what culture is it from. Give credit where credit is due. 5, avoid exploitation. Same thing, give credit where credit is due. Do not do it for selfish reasons. It's solely for research. 6, take accountability and share findings. With studying a living creature, we can learn all types of things, such as how it impacts our ecosystems, the circle of life, so to say, how to approach said creature, if it's a symbol of some sort, why we need to protect it, and what effects it will bring us if it's gone extinct. So this discipline only interests me because I love watching documentaries. I watch Animal Planet, any other wildlife informative series, I guess you can say. I watch those before I go to bed. It's very calming for me, and I've always loved animals either way and wildlife. So that's why I chose that one to kind of talk about. But yeah, that's essentially it.